I recently stayed at the ibis London Excel-Docklands, and I am going to give my honest thoughts about it. For the best price for this hotel, check out the links in the description.
Arrival and check-in experience.
When we arrived, the check-in process was super smooth and easy, which was awesome after traveling. The staff at the front desk were really friendly and welcoming, making us feel right at home from the get-go. They were efficient and got us sorted quickly, so we didn't have to wait around at all. It was a great start to our stay, definitely setting a positive vibe for the whole trip. Room, bathroom, and the amenities. The room was super clean and surprisingly quiet, which is always a win in London. I loved that they had complimentary tea, coffee, and even a coffee machine in there, perfect for a morning boost. The bathroom was pretty basic but totally functional, and the shower had great pressure, which is all you really need. Plus, having free Wi-Fi that actually worked well was a huge bonus for staying connected.
The location and surroundings.
The location was seriously great for exploring. We were right by the river, which was awesome for walks, and the Elizabeth line made getting around London super easy. It was also perfect for catching events at the O2, just a quick cable car ride away, and the XL Exhibition Center was practically next door. Plus, it was nice to be in a slightly calmer area compared to central London, but still with plenty of places to grab a bite nearby. Food, drinks, and dining options. When it comes to food, I was pleasantly surprised. The breakfast spread was actually really good, with a decent variety of options to get your day started right. I heard some people mention that the breakfast options were the same every day, but for a short stay, it was totally fine. Plus, they even have gluten-free options, which is a nice touch. If you're looking for more, there are plenty of eating places nearby, and the hotel itself has a restaurant and a bar that stays open pretty late, which is super convenient. What's it like to stay here? Staying here, the staff were seriously the best, super friendly, always ready to help, and they made everything feel really easy. I loved that the hotel was so close to the Elizabeth line, it made getting around London a total breeze. The vibe was calm and chill, which was perfect after a busy day, and it was awesome to have free Wi-Fi everywhere to stay connected. Let's take a look at the pros and cons. Here's what I liked about the hotel. Awesome location. It's super close to the Excel Center and the Elizabeth line, making it easy to get around and perfect for events. The team here is really helpful and welcoming, making you feel right at home. Clean and quiet rooms. My room was spotless and surprisingly peaceful, which is a huge plus in London. Good breakfast options. They had a decent spread for breakfast, even with gluten-free choices, which was a nice surprise.
Here's what I disliked about the hotel.
Uncomfortable beds. The beds were a bit too hard for my liking, making it tough to get a really good night's sleep. My overall rating for this hotel would be 8.3 out of 10. So, would I stay here again? Absolutely. Despite the beds being a tad firm for my personal preference, the overall experience was fantastic. The awesome location, super friendly staff, and the convenience of everything made it a no-brainer for my next London trip. I definitely recommend it to anyone looking for a chill and well-connected spot in the city. Thanks for watching. I added links from all hotel booking providers in the description so you can find the best price for this hotel. Make sure you check out the description below.